Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California. I'm going to go over Bitcoin, the dollar. I'm going to take a look at a few other altcoins, NMR, SSV, SC, OP, AGIX, GRT, and SAND, giving you the rundown. And kind of my bias based off of this week's closure. If we do close anywhere below 22,300 on CMEs coming up tomorrow. In the complex world of Bitcoin and macroeconomics, we are here to give you a bird's eye view from the macro level down to the micro level. We're going to marry the two together and let them have a little baby and give you the best education we can every single day. I hope you enjoy the video. Excuse me, actually, on CMEs, yeah, 22,400 is probably going to be good enough for me to call this a local high and look for a move down at least to this green box. And for something like this to potentially play out over the next week. Actually, we have a 20% move baking on the daily time frame. And what is that move related to? Well, we have extremely low volatility here. We've got momentum turned to the downside, and we've got the RSI getting kicked out of the bullish control zone. So 20% move from where we're at today. What do you know? It does take you down to about 18,000 on CMEs, and that's going to be about 18.5 on spot price action. And where would the invalidation be? Well, it'll be above this pivot right here on CMEs. And CMEs are going to be a lot stronger for overall signals. This is where the professional traders hang out and where a lot of money is. So essentially, call it 24.4 to be more conservative. Any kind of a daily closure back above there. And this idea will get invalidated. But you know, this is kind of what I'm looking for, is a move down and then a move back up to the $30,000 range, or, you know, call it 27 to 28 on CMEs. And spot price action is more like, you know, 18.5 here and then 30,000 to the upside, 18.5 to 30,000. And that would be just enough to, you know, make everybody feel like the bottom's falling out, and then, you know, get all those, you know, people suckered back in for a rally so they could dump it again, right? So that's the name of the game right now. In my opinion, this year is going to be all about risk management, knowing where to put those stop losses in. And yeah, so if Bitcoin's going to come down right now, I would suggest that the alt market, one is you might see Bitcoin dominance continue to rise, but that does not mean, excuse me, that does not mean that, you know, what does that mean? So if Bitcoin dominance continues to rise, typically, you know, altcoins are going to get crushed in their Satoshi pairing. So let's check out some of these requests I had. If you do have any requests, feel free to drop them in the chat here. I'm going to just quickly go through SSV. Looks like a lot of these are on Binance. SC. See a coin, that's a big one. Everybody asks about OP. AGIX. But in general, what's going to happen to altcoins if Bitcoin goes down? You know the answer. You know the answer. Don't think that your favorite altcoin is going to survive if Bitcoin goes down 20%. Or at least not take a big haircut. And Mr. Sandy, Sandcoin. So Binance, who's trading on Binance? Post a comment if you've got a Binance account, if you like it or not. I'm curious to know. What else they hear about Algorand? Hillary Clinton and Algorand had some kind of picture on the interwebs. That's due to kind of the recent pump from what I hear. And yeah, bet your lucky socks if Bitcoin tops out, this one's going to come down hard. And where would a downside target be? Well, that's 618 coming in at 21 cents for algo. NMR. Okay, so let's check out these other requests here. Where did my NMR go? Where did NMR go? I thought I put it. I thought I must have already had it up there. Crypto, NMR, tethers. Yeah, it's not adding to my sheet. What's going on? I must have too many coins up in here. Let's get a XRP, XLM, Wave. All right, I'm going to get rid of some of them. Let me try again. NMR. I'm looking for tether. Boom. There it is. Got it. Okay, NMR. Already putting in a pullback here. Looks like a bit of a top. And we'll cross down below. Oh, it's going to cross down today. Putting in some bearish divergence. Likely from this pivot. Yep. So you want to know what hidden bullish or bearish divergence is? Go ahead and drop us an email. In the subject line, put in cheat feet for bullish and bearish divergence, and we will get you the cheat sheet. It's right here. I put it up on my desk every day. Yeah, we're going from Bitcoin to Lexi right there. Yep, we got the coolest shirts. We got the coolest shirts at our company. Anyways, back on to bullish and bearish divergence. I'm going to draw it out for you on this one. Mark. Okay. So, what you can see here, and this is a perfect sell. I should short this one as we're speaking right now. But we do have that green 55 coming in right there. But, you know, most likely on the 4-drive philosophy, which we do have 4 drives here. So we got, we got 1, 2. I would call this 3 drives. So 3 drives, I'm looking for a move to the green 55 right here. If we start to lose this region, you know, going to come down significantly lower back to the bottom side of the range. And so nice short opportunity. And again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but a 15% move potentially baking, or in the making, should I say, over the next few days. You know, could take a few days for that to happen. All right, NMR. Let's check out SSV. Let's check it out. Another one that disappeared off my list. There it is. Okay. SSV. Okay, what am I noticing right away? Volatility has been maxed out. So when this, essentially when it expands, right, you're going to expect, well, price was going up, right? Volatility expanded from a low level, price went up. So I mean, it might be time to start shorting some of these altcoins. And what kind of a move would I be looking for? Well, this one is in a blue sky breakout. So if this is not a highly esteemed piece of internet technology that is going to be here for the long run, this one could come down significantly. But I would at minimum, you know, probably target a move down to 23. Yeah. 23 first target, second target 18. Okay, SSV, SC. Now, if Bitcoin gets bullish, I mean, all these things are kind of off the board. But I do think it's time for some of these coins to relax. I really don't like what happened to, like I had this all pretty and I just added the coins that I wanted. SC. Where's the OP? There's OP, okay. SC, OP. BDP is another one that we looked at yesterday. All right, 9 minutes into this video. I've only got a few more minutes. Let's see how fast I can do this. SC. Yes, blow off top. Blow off top. crossing down, and I'm glad you brought these up to me, Mark. I am going to take advantage of some of these bad boys here later. Pretty much the same thing across the board. So bearish divergence, 4-drive variety. Again, I'll call it out right here. Bearish divergence. Okay, so what is that? Price is making 1, 2, 3, 4 lower highs. How would we confirm this as a lower high? Well, we do want to see a closure anywhere here or lower. If you're conservative, anywhere below the last low on the daily would do it for me. Momentum crossing the downside today, very, very likely, unless somehow Bitcoin picks itself up by its bootstraps and start to rally through the end of the day, which very well could happen if the dollar does continue to go down. All right, we're almost down the list. OP. Let's get into OP. OP. So if you are looking at, and I like this one for a long-term play. I forgot exactly what it's called. It's some kind of a music one. But yeah, bearish divergence, lower highs in RSI. I'm targeting move 196 on this one. Invalidation above the prior high at 329. AGIX. Oh, you're probably not going to like this report if you're holding all these bad boys, or if you FOMO'd in. I'd love to see this one really come down to, at least this wick right here. It looks like everything's topping out, guys. Bearish divergence. Again, what is bearish divergence? Price is making a higher high, extremely higher high between these 2 points, yet it is making lower highs in RSI. Got it? Look, there's another example. 1, 2, 3 lower highs. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3. Higher highs in price, lower high. Yeah, so first time down to the 21, second move down to the green 55. It may bounce it here at the 21. Okay. GRT, another one very, very much sought after and asked for over the past couple of days. And I think I will follow up on these for the next couple of days just to see where some of the targets are getting hit. So let's just mark them off. First target right there. And then sand. I'm just going to do this one real quick. Everybody, I love me some sand coins. I own me some internet land in the metaverse. Let me get a sip of this water here. Excuse me there. Check out my bull from Wall Street if you're bullish. I don't think we're being bullish today, guys. I think we are not being bullish today. So what do we have from this pivot right here? Multiple drives, and I'm looking for this one to come down. I mean, moves pretty much already played out for the first target on the 21. So I'll give a first target and a second target. Take profit 1, take profit 2 if you are in a nice little short. I mean, really hard to catch these moves right now. Really, really difficult, but this should give you a little impetus for what you could potentially be doing if you knew what bullish and bearish divergence was. So, boom. First target, second target on this one. Oh, wow. So, could be big moves down for Mr. Sandcoin if we do start to close a weekly back below this pivot right there. That's a bit of an indecision candle. 5-day will cross down below 68 cents. And the daily is already going to be crossing down. Volatility, yeah, getting kicked out of the bullish control zone. Sand looks like it does want to come down to doggy town. It did make a higher high and a higher low, though. So, that means there's going to be some support coming in here. Very, very likely, and I'm willing to bet that yellow 21 is going to line up on a bearish retracement with the 236. So probably going to bounce it first off that 236. That's typically what happens. You get a bounce right here, run it back to the 382, and then play it back down. We'll see what happens though on this one. I'm going to go back mark for you on these targets, NMR. So first target, second target. Pretty easy. This one, I'm going to be more conservative. First target, second target. Of course, invalidation comes with any kind of a closure, you know. Well, let's see what the Bollinger Band says here. Oh. Yeah, looks like a blow off top to me. But if we do continue to close above the topside Bollinger Band, that is more on the bullish side. Okay, we're 15 minutes in the video. It's time to wrap this bad boy up. And I'm going to go with the last one. See, this one already hit the 21. The second target coming in on that green 55, which is going to rise each and every day that it doesn't quite get there. And then GRT, everybody wants to see that one. Get those Bollinger Bands off here. Is this the right one? Growth Point Ltd. No, this is a stock. Get out of here. GRT. GRT. Boom. Nobody uses Binance. Oh, this one's coming down. We're coming down, down, down to Doggy Town. Boom. First target. And a second target. That's, you know, take profit 1, take profit 2. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. This is Magic Internet Money. I hope you guys had some fun today. I hope you have a blessed and highly favored day, and check back in with us tomorrow. Take care.